Hi, this is Dan from Garden Origins, and today I want to show you how to make a compost sifter. The first thing you're going to need, I picked up an 8-foot 2x2 piece of wood here. You're going to need 1/4-inch soil screening. You're going to need a heavy-duty wire cutter to cut the screening with. You'll need safety glasses, safety first. You're going to need some wood glue, any kind really, it's just to reinforce it. You're going to need 2.5-inch deck screws, heavy duty staple, and a circular saw. Now I'm going to cut the piece of wood into 4 24-inch sections, and I'm going to use a circular saw. So I cut my 4 pieces. Now I'm going to put them together. I'm going to put glue on the ends, and then I'm going to screw them together with this drill. It's an 18-volt. That's what I recommend for small projects like this, and it works really well.
So now it's put together. I cut the mesh to fit the frame, stapled it on there, about 1.5 to 2 inches. Now if you see the buckets underneath, these are buckets that I buy for cat litter, and I save the buckets because they're excellent for gardening. They have many uses. So the sifter fits right above. I put the compost on top. Just take a trowel, move the compost around. All the fine compost falls to the buckets, and I dispense the heavier stuff back onto the ground. So my compost site is 5 minutes away, so I can do this almost every day if I want to. But I want to share this with you guys. It's real simple, real easy, and I want to thank you for watching. This is Dan from Garden Origins signing off.